Ragie is making waves in the developer community, but is it really the best RAG platform out there? Let's dive into what it offers and whether it lives up to the hype, or if it's just another tool that falls short. Ragie positions itself as a robust platform for developers looking to integrate rapid application generation, as G, into their workflow. The core functionality revolves around simplifying the development process, allowing users to create applications with minimal coding. This can be a game changer for those who want to speed up their project timelines without sacrificing quality. What stands out immediately is the user-friendly interface, which seems designed for both novices and seasoned developers. The platform provides various templates and modules, making it easier to kickstart projects. However, while it does promise a lot, some areas feel a bit vague, like the specifics on how customizable these templates actually are. The intended audience appears to be developers who are looking for efficiency, but it's unclear how well it caters to more complex applications that might require deeper customization. Overall, while Ragie has potential, it leaves you wanting a bit more clarity about its capabilities. Now, let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, Ragie's user-friendly design and quick setup can significantly reduce development time, which is a huge win for busy developers. The templated approach can help those who may not be as experienced in coding. However, there are some frustrations too. For starters, the lack of detailed documentation and community support raises some trust concerns. If you run into issues, you might find yourself on your own. Additionally, seasoned developers might find the platform limiting if they need advanced features or extensive customization options. In terms of pricing, there's not much information available, which can be a red flag for those looking to plan their budgets. If you're a beginner or working on simpler projects, Ragie might be worth a shot, but more advanced users might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, Ragie offers a solid starting point for developers seeking to streamline their workflow, especially if you're new to coding. However, if you're looking for a highly customizable platform with robust support, it may not be the best fit. Overall, it's worth considering. But proceed with caution, especially if you need deeper capability.